So, spiritual healing, what does it do? It frees you of old thoughts, old feelings, old actions that keep you disconnected from your higher self. I think I put something like that on there. Hold on. Y'all can't see because I'm blocking it. Okay. All right. So, there are certain thoughts that you're keeping, there are certain emotions that you're having, there are certain actions that you are taking that are simply not in alignment with your higher self. We all have it. Okay. But when you heal spiritually, this means you are doing the work to transform those thoughts, to transform those feelings, to transform those actions to be in alignment with your best self. Okay? So that's why this work is so important. You need it.
I mentioned before, we've got the conscious mind and the subconscious mind. The subconscious mind holds all of our habit patterns, but it gets deeper than that. This knowledge isn't hidden. A lot of people think it's hidden and it's secret, but the truth is, all this stuff has been figured out for 5,000 years, recorded. But even those documents say that this has been on record for 10,000 years. So the knowledge of the mind and the soul and spirituality has always been here. We just haven't been looking in the right places. So understanding the conscious mind and the subconscious mind is only a piece of the puzzle. There's actually 4 aspects of ourself. And this is something that I do get into in our course that I teach. But for the sake of what's going on here, it's important to understand that clarity is key. Understand that you're not just, this thing like, oh, I'm me. Like what D-Ray was talking about, what we think of ourselves as, this ego, is based on attachments, the things that we attach to.
So you have these triangles here, which is our parents, right? So our parents give us information subconsciously as we create ourselves in the womb. The parents give you information. The grandparents gave them information. The great-grandparents gave them information, and the great-great-grandparents gave them information, right? And that comes through the DNA. And the information that the DNA gives you, again, is to reproduce, develop, and survive. Write that down. Reproduce, develop, and survive.
You feel me? And they'll keep that subconscious repetitious programming for you to fall into what? Sadness, depression, woe is me. Because somebody out there sees George Floyd and then they see themselves. So that's something you want to move out of. Here we go. This is the real image right here. This is where they really want you to get hit. You see him and you start getting angry, mad, and they want to just show this one image. This one simple image every time. They're going to keep on running it, right? They not letting it go. Watch on this Memorial Day, whenever that come up, they're going to be like, they're going to just show him. They ain't going to show nothing George Floyd. They're going to show this one image. They're going to perpetuate the idea. Keep you in fear of who? Of them, yeah. It's time to take back your power, though. You have the power to transmute all of that.
You got to do your work in order to get to higher levels of understanding of the real you. The real you is the God you. All right? Ain't no ifs, ands, and buts about it. Ain't no gods up here. Oshun is not here. Obatala, no. Go stand in the fucking mirror. You're going to see Oshun. You're going to see Obatala. All the motherfuckers is you. It's always been you. But you have been taught otherwise.
You know what? I don't really want you. But what if we focused on the positive of people and the positive of a situation instead of always the negative? It's a conscious thing that we have to do because it's so easy to find fault in things. And remember, as we spoke earlier, D-Ray was talking about, it's so easy to feel irritated when somebody says something or irritated about a person because it's easy to kind of walk away from a relationship instead of trying to work on it and see, you know what, this person is compatible with me, but maybe it's work I need to do on myself. And maybe they're reflecting back to me that thing that's irritating, that negative thing. Right? We focus on what we choose to focus on. That's what creates our reality. So the 222 energy, add that up, that's 6. 2022 is going to be a powerful time for.
Well, exactly what I do. So this is what I want you guys to understand. This is a good image of where we are right now. People are making choices. People don't trust the government no more. You know what I'm saying? And this is because we're going through a great divide right now. A great divide in this world, family. A great divide.